Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video on this channel. I post videos every single day about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So just press the subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day every single day on YouTube, just doing work for 10 minutes a day, just working for 10 minutes a day, and that's it. You can make $100 a day every day on YouTube. How you are gonna do this is what I'm gonna reveal to you today. So first of all, what you have to do is just go to YouTube, go in the search bar and type here basketball. Okay, basketball, then what you have to say, highlights. Okay, just what we have typed here is basketball highlights. Okay, and you can see this is NBA's channel. Okay, and this is MLG highlights. Okay, so what this guy in this channel does is that he visits different types of games of basketball. Okay, or he hires someone to visit all these different basketball games, and what he does is, using his camera, what he does is he just takes videos of these people. Okay, he just takes videos. You can see here one of his see, what he does is he just uses his camera as an audience and takes videos of all these famous players and creates highlights of the game. Okay, see here, you can see here there are many of the videos which are there over here, so you can check out all this. See, what he has done is he has just used this video and created a highlight of this game. Okay, you can see that these people are playing the game and he is just recording it, and what he is doing is he is just uploading all these videos which he has created from his camera to his YouTube channel over here, and you can see what amount of views he is getting. He has almost 2.16 million subscribers. That's a really huge amount of subscribers. Now let's check in Social Blade how much this guy earns. Okay, let's go to Social Blade. So just check out here, we have to see this. What's the name of the channel is MLG highlights. Okay, just type in the name MLG highlights, GHLIGHTS. Okay, let's search this, how much this guy makes on YouTube doing this. Okay, this is really very simple. Or what you can do is you can just hire a cameraman who can record this type of videos for you, and you can get a good amount of earning from this type of videos. Okay, now let's just go to his channel and see what he does is he just uploads videos about these games by using his camera. He just visits the game. Okay, he just goes to see the game, uses his camera to record these simple videos, and what he is earning is 9.3k to 149k. That's a huge amount of money which he is making in monthly revenue, and you can see here his yearly revenue is more than $1 million, and that's real, that's absolutely real. This is the amount of money which this guy makes every single month and every single year, more than $1 million just by creating this type of content. Okay, now I will be revealing to you in the end of this video how you can create this type of channel and how you can hire someone to create this type of videos for you for a very low price. Okay, so that's gonna be revealed to you in this video, so stick in this video until the end. You can see this, these are just simple videos of this. Okay, anyone can record this type of videos. These are not highly edited videos or very difficult to make these videos. You just have to go and see the game and just see how this video is made. Okay, that's really easy. See, you can see this video is, I think, taken from a mobile phone or a smartphone. You can see its quality is not that good, but see, this video works out. Okay, this video has driven 167,000 views. So this is what you have to do, is you yourself can go watch the game and take out your camera and record some stuff from that and just upload it to your YouTube channel. Now this channel gets what can we say, monetized, because this guy has uploaded all this video and he has created these videos by himself, so he can monetize this channel. Okay, now what we will be going to do is we are going to this website which is known as Fiverr. Now I'm going to show you how you can create this type of videos. Okay, Fiverr. You just have to type in Fiverr, and you just have to go to this Fiverr freelance services marketplace. What you can see here, just you have to search this basketball highlights. Okay, all you have to do is type this and search in Fiverr, and you can see there are many of the people doing this work for you. See, this is one of a person who can do this work for INR. It is in Indian rupees, so it can be said as 746 rupees, which is approximately $10. Okay, you can make him do this type, record this type of videos for you for approximately $10. If you are from USA, then it will cost almost $10 to you. You can see this he has a delivery time of 1 day. Okay, and he creates this type of videos for you, and that's really simple and easy. There are many others doing this type of stuff. You can see, check out here, see there are many of the people who are creating this type of videos. You can hire someone to create this type of videos. Okay, once more we just have to click sports highlights video. Okay, just type in this keywords. Okay, you can see here is a person. Okay, you can see this there is a person, JB Blackman, who will create this type of videos for you. Its starting rate is here it is given in Indian currency, but you can see that it costs almost $100. Okay, you can see here this guy charges only $10 to do it for you. This guy also just does it for almost $100. This guy does it for $5. See, this guys can create I will see here, you can see I will create any type of sports highlight videos. He just costs $20. You can see what these guys are doing. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to this website and hire one of these guys who is given a good rating, and you just can give him tell him that you just create some of the sports event videos for me. So, and then he will create some of the videos, and what you can do is you can just create a channel like this and start uploading videos to that. This type of videos get a ton of views, so you know that this is gonna be earning you a great amount of money with AdSense. See, 26 million views, 11 million views, 11 million, 8.2 million views. This is insane amount of views with this type of content gets, and you can get this type of content just for $10, okay, on Fiverr, and you can upload it to your YouTube channel, and as your channel grows you can easily make $10,000 a month doing this stuff. That's really simple, really easy thing. All you have to do is just invest $10. Okay, that's not a big amount of money. Anyone can invest $10. That's not difficult. Okay, so that's possible. You just have to spend $100 and you can get 10 videos of this and just upload it to YouTube channel, and that's super easy. All it takes is 10 minutes to upload a video to YouTube channel, and you can start earning with this method. If you like this video, then press the like button. We'll see you in the next video, and I would like to tell you that you could check out other videos of my channel, because all these other videos will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online. So just check out all those other videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay subscribed to this channel.